Phoebe. Excuse me, please. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Hi. Welcome back to Iron Triangle Garage. Working on the Silverado still. It's raining cats and dogs out the last week. Let's see some of the parts that we've got, right? I mean, that's got to be something. And then I got a couple little things back here. It's, I'm a dad, you know. I think I've said that before. I got two littles. A little guy, 7. You've seen him, Toby. He helps me out. He's awesome. Then I got a little 7-month-old. Actually, she's 8 months old now. So I can't drive something not cool. So I figured, you know, 4-door truck, right? LS power, truck, 4 doors, seats for kids. But, you know, you've seen it, it's tired. So let's have a look at what we got for this truck. Let's crack open a do. Let's get to it. Our first box here is from carparts.com. This big box. Yep. Okay. Right. Alrighty then. Almost. Oh. Ow. Staples. Oh. Okay. It's wrapped up real nicely, which is, I'm lying, it's not wrapped up nicely. Oh. Get out of here. Gotta put this outside. Why would you go? Who? It's like it's folded. You know what I mean? They went and folded it. Yeah, I don't even know who does that. I've seen these things folded right in half from eBay. This isn't from eBay, so I don't understand. Okay. I mean, it's pretty nice looking. Oh yeah, this will straighten right out. Little heat. Let it relax a little bit. Be fine. There we go. Super Sport bumper. Yeah, that should be pretty cool. Okay. All right, the second box we got here for this Silverado rebirth, revival, if you will. That's all the cool kids are calling these videos now, right? Revivals. We have here something that I've got some seals. been wanting to do to this truck since the day I got it, and it was just never nice enough to do this with. So now that we're getting it repainted, appointments on Saturday to go get the final estimate. And remember, I'm doing all this stuff on a budget, so it's gonna be cheap, but this part was not cheap. And the bumper was pretty cheap. I'll be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie about it. The bumper was cheap. I got it on carparts.com, and a GM one is like $500. I paid $110, I think, for the bumper. Don't judge me. It's a driver. It's a driver. It's not a show car. But I got. Oh, these are cool. New lights. Headlight. One headlight. Turn signals. You know, it's not brake stuff. It's all wrapped really nice. Got this nice, expandable foam to protect everything. It's not like the last ones I bought. The last ones I bought were, came in a box. And they're terrible, man. Those things went bad quickly. So then it's time to upgrade for real. Time to upgrade for real. So I got the ones with the LED dudes built into it. Ooh. Oh. High quality. Yeah, these look way better. The last ones, the lenses weren't even tied up against the housing. These look tremendous. Heavy, thick. Everything's nice and sealed up, so you don't get any junk inside. Last ones were not like that at all. So these, I'm happy with this. This is nice. This is going to look good on that truck. Clear corners. I don't know if I'm sold on the clear corners so much, but, I didn't really have a whole lot of choice in that. You got this wiring. You got the extra wiring. I don't know where to hook that up yet for these LED lights. I think they run off the parking lights. Not the parking lights, but the daytime running lights. So we'll figure out how to wire those in, get them looking sharp. We'll do this after paint, though, I think. I don't know if I'm going to do a video on that or just show them installed. Let me know what you think. If you're watching this, thank you. Because not many of you are yet. Hopefully I'll get a lot more of you. I got one last thing over here. Let's take some of those dings out. I've never done this. I don't know if this stuff actually works. Hopefully it does, because I really don't have a lot of time left. So I got to get this done quickly. And hopefully this gets me there. I think you know where I'm going with this. So this is one of those little stick-on dent puller deals. It's a cool little kit. Came with all the glue, black glue and the yellow glue. Came with the little bridge to pull it. The puller itself, it's heavy, thick, metal. That should be cool. And what is this? More glue. Awesome. Doesn't fit in the gun though. It's the wrong size. So that's going back. This came off of Amazon. Very reasonable too. It was only like $29, I think. So that should be fun. I'll give that a shot this weekend. But I'm gonna have to move on to something else because the truck's gonna be going into paint here very soon. So I'll have to work on something else. Probably the El Camino. We'll get some running shots of that, and you know what I've got to do to it. I want a floor shift. Oh, yeah. There's no third pedal though, so we'll have to do something about that sooner than later. I'd like to go back to a stick shift on that. I've said that before, so we'll have to get on that. Okay, you've made it this far. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video of unboxing these cool car parts, truck parts, and you know, seeing the quality. So please check out this video. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.